Ensuring data integrity and accuracy has long been a headache for those responsible for monitoring clean environments. Before the smart bracket, location IDs were embedded within remote particle counters. During routine or unscheduled maintenance, operators occasionally mixed up these identical-looking sensors, leading to data discrepancies and data errors. These mix-ups equal unusable monitoring data. That translates to costly loss of time and product. Introducing the revolutionary smart bracket technology. A groundbreaking, industry-first innovation brought to you by LWS. Inside the smart bracket, a preset chip discreetly holds the location ID, the heart of our cutting-edge solution. The smart bracket's chip prevents human errors, while the enclosure's design hides vacuum tubing and communication cables inside, ensuring a seamless integration. It's perfect for clean rooms, easy to wipe down, prevents corrosion, and guarantees a sealed, clean environment for your remote particle counter. There you have it, the perfect combination of the smart bracket and ApexR, a practical solution to real clean room challenges, bringing quality by design to life. Don't miss your opportunity to experience a new era of clean room efficiency from LWS.